So most people think the world's most important company is Apple or Nvidia. It's not actually. It's a ghost factory in Taiwan that almost nobody outside tech ever actually thinks about. So here's the story. In the 1980s, Taiwan was still relatively poor and stuck in low-wage manufacturing. The government knew they'd never win just stitching t-shirts forever, so they made a bet. And that bet was computers are the future, and whoever controls the chips controls the game. So they went hunting for a builder. They found this dude named Morris Chang. He's a Taiwanese-born engineer who spent more than 20 years climbing the ranks at Texas Instruments. He ran their semiconductor business, but when it came down to pick a CEO, he got passed over twice. So pretty much got sick of it. And he later called it a bamboo ceiling moment, which is that feeling that no matter how good he was, he hit the limit in corporate America. So Taiwan called and was like, yo, fly home. We'll fund you, build the chip company you always wanted to run. So in 1987, he does exactly that. He starts TSMC, the world's first pure-play chip foundry. No brand on the box, no Intel-style logo, just one mission. Everybody else designs chips. TSMC manufactures them. So fast forward to today, and this invisible factory is the most critical choke point in global tech. TSMC controls roughly 70% of the global chip manufacturing market, and over 90% of the most advanced chips. Pretty much all these chips are in Apple's MacBooks and iPhones, Nvidia's GPUs, and AMD's server chips and custom silicon for companies like Tesla, Amazon, and even Google. So if you're using a flagship phone, gaming on top-end GPU, or running anything heavy in the cloud, there's a very real chance that that chip was built by TSMC. And it's not just manufacturing. To print one of these chips, you're etching billions of transistors, each part thinner than a human hair, onto a wafer, layer after layer, in rooms cleaner than a surgical theater. A single dust particle landing on the wrong spot is like dropping a meteor on a city. TSMC has to do this at insane scale, 24/7 with almost no defects, while upgrading the technology every few years. So you're probably like, well, why doesn't someone just copy this shit? Because by now, TSMC isn't just a factory, it's a compounding machine. The most demanding high-value projects, I'm talking about like Apple's newest iPhone chip, Nvidia's next AI GPU, go to TSMC first. That premium work throws off huge cash. That cash gets plowed back into bigger, more advanced plants and better processes. And when the next generation of chip designers try to show up, TSMC is even farther ahead on cost, quality, and reliability than it was the last time. So here's the crazy thing. Intel was supposed to be the rival. For years, it was the gold standard. But after a decade of delays, corporate missteps, and trying to please Wall Street, it fell behind on the very thing it was famous for, building the best chips. Now it's taking massive government support just to try to catch up, while companies like Apple and Nvidia are already deeply locked in with TSMC. So when people say TSMC is the most important company you've never heard of, that's not hype. If Apple is the face of tech and Nvidia is the brain of AI, TSMC is the heartbeat quietly keeping the entire system alive.